Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Beverages coming back to you with another awesome and powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to shrink that belly, get rid of that belly fat, and lose 10 pounds in 7 days. Now, this is an extreme fat burning detox drink. It's only for the strong at heart, okay? So if you like something spicy and something to help rev you up, this is definitely what you're going to need. This is a thermogenic drink and it's going to heat you up, okay? So let me show you how to make this fast thermogenic detox that's going to help you to get rid of 10 pounds in 7 days. Now, as my water is boiling on the stove, that's what you hear in the background, I'm going to show you some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need 2 chili peppers, but this right here is so big, I think it's enough for 2. Okay, so I'm just going to use 1 big gigantic chili pepper. I'm also using my garlic. Now, I know some of you don't like garlic, but you would be surprised how garlic is going to help you to burn that fat in your body, and you basically don't really taste it all the time in your drinks. We're also going to be using 2 sprigs of mint leaves, a lemon, and some honey. Okay, today I'll be using regular honey. Normally you would see my black seed with honey, but I'm going to be using my regular today, and a cup. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our nicely washed chili peppers, and we're just going to chop this up. Now, since this is kind of big, I'm going to slice this into smaller pieces. Okay? And then I'm just going to add that inside my cup. Next, I'm going to do the same for my garlic. Dice that up. Garlic is wonderful for your immune system. It's also good for colds. It's good for your blood pressure and as far as lowering it. I mean, it does so many wonderful things for your body, and it's also wonderful to help boost your metabolism up so you can help to get rid of that excess fat and weight. Okay, and then I'm just going to add that also into my cup. I was never a fan of garlic until this pandemic came, and honestly, I love me some garlic tea. I've gotten so used to the taste. It really doesn't bother me, and it doesn't, taste bad. It really doesn't. I'd rather drink it than chew on it. Okay. So we're just going to add that inside of our drink. Then we're going to take our mint leaves and just chop the leaves up. Okay, now I hear that my water is finished boiling, so now I'm going to add my hot boiling water. And just add in at least about 2 cups of water. And what I'm going to do now is just cover it and leave it to steep for at least 30 minutes. Okay, you can put a saucer on it, you can put anything on top of it that's going to help to keep the steam in. And I'll be right back after these wonderful announcements. Welcome, family. This is the Velvelox coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Okay, so now it's 30 minutes later, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour my content inside my measuring cup. Oh. Okay, and then I'm going to strain it inside of my cup. Next, I'm just going to take my lemon and just squeeze half a lemon inside my cup. Okay. Juice out of there. Okay, and lastly, I'm just going to add in maybe about a tablespoon of my honey. And there you have it, you guys. Okay, now this is powerful. Now it is spicy, so it's not as hot as you would think it would be, but this is a wonderful thermogenic. Like I said, it's going to heat your body up, and it's going to help to burn off that fat cells, slim down your stomach, and get your metabolism going, so this way you can burn off that fat. This is wonderful. All right, so you guys, you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach and you will see some wonders. You drink this every day for 7 days and you will lose at least 10 pounds. All right, this is powerful. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Check down below in my eBay store for the wonderful herbs and spices, as well as the herbal honeys and the detox tonics, especially the firm and flat belly detox, as well as the living bitters. You will find all of that down there. Also check down in the Amazon affiliate links for a NutriBullet personal size and full size blender along with the metal straws. Okay? And you guys, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you'll get hair care, skincare, beauty care, fashion hauls, and more on that channel. Alright? So until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And I'll be back again with more wonderful weight loss videos coming soon. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.